Hello plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Gardening Glory. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue many of you might face during the holiday season: leggy Christmas cacti. If your once bushy and vibrant Christmas cactus is starting to look a bit leggy, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind leggy growth and discuss some tips to fix and prevent it. But before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things plant related. So, why is your Christmas cactus getting leggy? Let's break down a few common reasons. Reason 1. Insufficient light. Christmas cacti thrive in bright, indirect light. If your plant isn't getting enough light, it will start stretching towards the light source, resulting in leggy growth. Therefore, you need to place your Christmas cactus in a location with bright, indirect light. If natural light is limited, consider supplementing with a grow light. Reason 2. Incorrect watering. Overwatering or underwatering can both contribute to leggy growth. Christmas cacti prefer evenly moist soil. So, finding the right watering balance is crucial. To this end, you should allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before watering, and ensure proper drainage to prevent root rot. Reason 3. Nutrient deficiency. Lack of essential nutrients, particularly phosphorus, can lead to weak, elongated stems. Make sure your Christmas cactus is receiving a balanced fertilizer during its growing season. Indeed, you should feed your Christmas cactus with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during its active growing season. This will provide the necessary nutrients to support healthy growth. Reason 4. Inappropriate container size. If your Christmas cactus has outgrown its pot, it might become leggy as it competes for resources. If your cactus has become root-bound, consider repotting into a slightly larger container with fresh soil. And there you have it, friends. If your Christmas cactus is looking a bit leggy, don't panic. With the right adjustments to light, watering, and nutrients, you can encourage a fuller, healthier plant. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.